All right, what's up, guys? This is Dan Visuals here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the DJI RS3. So, hope you guys can see just based off this. This is the gimbal that I'm using day to day on almost all my shoots, and I'm just going to share with you guys some of the reasons why I absolutely love this gimbal. So, the first thing I'll go ahead and say is one of the reasons why I think this is an amazing gimbal are these auto lock knobs. Let's see if I can show you guys. So, it has some auto lock knobs on each individual axis. And what these knobs basically do is that once you press the on and off button, it pretty much locks all the axes. So that's going to be absolutely amazing. It helps to keep your camera balanced even when you're not shooting. It also makes folding it up a breeze. Another feature I love about this is this big screen right here. I'd love to turn it on for you guys, but it's gonna give me a little issue if I turn it on because I don't have a camera attached. So if I turn it on right now, it's gonna like fail about. But basically this screen is very intuitive. It is a decent size, so you're able to make adjustments from your screen without having to go into an external app. And trust me, that makes a world of difference. I also enjoy the fact that even though it's not extremely huge, it does support a really high payload. So for me, I'm shooting on a Sony a7 IV, and it manages the camera like an absolute breeze. I've never had any issues balancing any one of my lens combinations. Give or take, I don't have an extremely heavy camera lens, but I'm just glad that I don't have to worry about anything. Not to mention, in the event that I don't balance the camera perfectly, it does have enough strength in the motors to compensate for off balance. But I tend to get perfect balance with this because you can lock different axes, so you only have to focus on the axis that you're trying to balance. So I think that makes it very easy for me. Another big feature I love about this gimbal is the vertical mode. Because this gimbal has a vertical mode, you can put your camera in a vertical orientation so that you can shoot shots that are perfect for social media right off the go. So all you have to do is just press one slider right here. You put the camera into FPV mode, then you're able to get portrait shots super easy. So for me, this gimbal is what I use almost all the time. I don't have to worry about anything else. I think DJI has made it very easy for us to get some really amazing shots without having to worry about, playing with settings and fine tuning. It's really plug and play, grab and go. And that's why I am a huge fan of the DJI RS3 Pro.